Welcome. This practice is an invitation to rest, to soften and arrive. There's nothing you need to focus on, nothing you need to visualize, and nothing you need to change. Simply rest and allow the sound of my voice to guide you. If at any point you drift into sleep, that is completely fine. Rest has a way of reaching us, even when we're not aware of it. So take a moment now to settle into a comfortable position, laying down, supported, warm enough, and allow the body to be held by the surface beneath you. Notice where your body makes contact with the floor, the back of the head, the shoulders, the pelvis, the backs of the legs, and the heels. There's nothing to hold, nothing to organize, nothing to manage. This time of year carries a quiet shift, a movement towards balance, not sudden, not dramatic, but gently notable if you listen. This practice isn't about effort or improvement. It's about allowing space for renewal, finding a natural meeting point between rest and readiness. Bringing gentle awareness to the breath. No need to guide it or change it. Simply notice where you feel it most clearly. Perhaps you feel air brushing across your top lip from the nostrils. Perhaps it's in the chest with the rise and fall and the movement of your breath. Perhaps it's expanding into space in your belly. Noticing the rhythm that's already there. The inhale arriving, the exhale arriving. With each exhale, there's an invitation to soften, to settle, to arrive a little more fully. And if thoughts arise, that's natural, because the mind moves just as the seasons do. And each time you notice that you've drifted into thinking, gently return to the sound of my voice or to the steady rhythm of your breath. And now gently introduce an intention for your practice. Not a goal, not something to fix. Perhaps something like, I welcome renewal. Or I allow space for new growth. Choosing which words resonate with you the most. Words that feel honest and kind. And then silently repeat your intention once or twice. Then let it settle into the background. There is nothing you need to make happen. It's already happening. And now we'll move through the body slowly, steadily, allowing awareness to travel without effort. Bring awareness to the right hand, the palm, the back of the hand, each finger, thumb, index, middle, and ring finger, the wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, the right shoulder easing downward, the right side of the chest, the right ribs, the right waist, hip, buttock, the right thigh, the right knee, the right calf, shin, the ankle, the heel, and the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, and all 5 toes, allowing the entire right side to simply rest. And now bring awareness to the left hand, the left palm, back of the hand, each of the fingers, the wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, the left shoulder, the left side of the chest, the ribs, the waist, the left buttock, the left hip, the thigh, the knee, the calf, and the shin, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the foot, and the top of the foot, all of the toes, the entire left side settling evenly. And now bring awareness to the backs of the heels, the calves, backs of the knees, and the thighs, the pelvis, the sacrum, lower back, mid back, upper back. Each vertebrae resting one by one. The shoulder blades, space between them, the base of the skull, and the back of the neck, the weight of the head fully supported. And now bring awareness to the chest, to the heart area. No need to fix anything in particular. No need to feel anything. in particular. The belly, soft, rising and falling naturally. The lower abdomen, pelvis, the front of the hips, and now bring awareness to the face, jaw gently unclenching, the tongue resting easily, the lips soft, the cheeks releasing, the nose, space behind the eyes, the eyes themselves heavy, resting back, the eyelids smooth, the eyebrows drifting apart, the forehead broad and spacious, the temples, the ears, the scalp, the crown of the head, allowing the face to become neutral, open, and at ease. Sensing the whole body at once, from head to toe. Notice the quiet balance between left and right, between front and back. Nothing to adjust, nothing to correct. Simply noticing what is. This time of year marks a natural point of balance. Light and dark meeting evenly. In life, balance doesn't mean stillness. It means responsiveness, movement, and pause, rest, and gentle momentum. Imagining the body like a landscape in early spring. Much is happening beneath the surface, quietly, gradually. You might picture the earth warming slowly, not all at once, but steadily, day by day. Consider gently, where in your life has there been a lot of effort, and where might there be space now for renewal? There is no judgment, just noticing. And if there are any ideas, intentions, or possibilities forming, imagine them like seeds placed into soil. There's no need to rush them, no need to check on them constantly. Growth unfolds in its own time. Rest is part of becoming. And silently ask yourself, who are you today? Who are you becoming? And allow these questions to pass through like a breeze moving through branches. And now bring awareness back to the breath. natural and forced. Feeling the steadiness of the body beneath you, supported and held. Nothing more is required. If sleep arrives, welcome it. If wakefulness remains, allow it to rest there. Balance and renewal emerge when space is given. Remain here for as long as you need. Move slowly, and when you're ready, Namaste.